Getting product lines to market is tough and becomes even more difficult when you're dealing with poorly performing equipment and inferior processes. Without the right welding solution, you may not be able to meet the demands and timelines of your project, maintain high levels of quality, or deliver the expected return on investment. Fortunately, there's a way to overcome these challenges with the new Branson GSX platform from Emerson, a highly configurable, reliable, and modular system that enables you to execute precise, repeatable ultrasonic welds so you can meet the broad requirements of your parts and applications. To help you meet your project demands and timelines, the Branson GSX platform features a modular architecture that enables shorter build and delivery times, and a tiered offering tailored to your specific budget and performance needs. And it's backed by Emerson's project support and consulting experts who will ensure you have the right solution to get your product to market on time. To help you achieve consistent, high-quality welds from one welder to the next, the Branson GSX platform employs an advanced actuation system and multi-core processor that ensures improved welding control and position accuracy. And it's able to apply the industry's lowest trigger force for precise, accurate ultrasonic welds that are fully repeatable for any welder. And to help you deliver the return on investment for your project, the Branson GSX platform features intuitive, easy-to-use hardware and software with smart features that enable faster setups and changeovers, which simplifies operations and reduces labor, operating, and process costs. Bringing your product line to market on time and on budget is key to the success of your business. The Branson GSX platform from Emerson is designed to help you do just that. Contact us today to learn more.